Hey everyone. Today I'm bringing you the latest updates on Hurricane Helene. It's been a wild ride as this powerful storm wreaks havoc across the southeastern United States. First, let's talk about landfall. Helene hit Florida's Big Bend region as a Category 4 hurricane with winds whipping at 140 miles per hour. That's some serious power. Over 2 million people lost electricity almost immediately. The storm surge, described as deadly, pushed water to the highest level ever seen in some areas. Coastal residents were in immediate danger. Helene didn't stop there. As it barreled north, it weakened to a tropical storm but continued to be a major threat. President Biden declared disaster areas in multiple states, urging everyone to stay cautious and heed local warnings. Georgia and the Carolinas started bracing themselves for impact, expecting landslides and more power outages. It's a prolonged period of severe weather, folks. Heavy rains and potential flooding continue to be a massive concern. Now let's get into the widespread destruction and emergency response. Helene's landfall in Florida's Big Bend was historic and devastating. Some areas faced an unsurvivable storm surge. Over 1.5 million customers across Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas are dealing with power outages. 6 states declared states of emergency due to the disaster's scale. Multiple deaths have been reported, which is heartbreaking. Evacuations were ordered, roads were closed, and emergency services faced significant disruptions. Everyone in the affected areas was advised to shelter in place as conditions remained extremely dangerous. Officials warned that heavy rains and strong winds would continue as Helene slowly moved inland. This slow progress means prolonged dangerous conditions for many of these communities. The threat isn't over yet. As Helene moves inland over the southeast, it's causing severe weather. We're talking life-threatening flash flooding and potential record river flooding. Damaging winds and the possibility of tornadoes are adding to the chaos. Initially a Category 4 hurricane with 140 mph winds near Perry, Florida, Helene moved towards Macon, Georgia. Tornado watches were issued from eastern Georgia to the Carolinas. Numerous flash flood warnings are in effect, indicating immediate threats to life and property. There have been over 150 flooding reports from northern Florida to western Virginia. The southern Appalachians face the greatest flood threat due to the terrain. High wind warnings and advisories are posted across several states, with wind gusts exceeding 90 miles per hour in some areas. And let's not forget the significant tornado threat, especially in the eastern Carolinas and southern Virginia. So what can you do? Stay indoors, avoid flooded areas, and listen to local authorities for safety updates. It's crucial to stay informed and prepared during this dangerous time. That's it for today's update on Hurricane Helene. Stay safe out there and keep an eye on the weather. Until next time, take care.